When it comes to business value, as articulated through use cases, the list of potential use cases that MDM can support here is very, very long. When I was an analyst, I would have a list literally of thousands of potential KPIs that MDM could help you improve or enable or support across really kind of three views. There's starting at the top, there's increased revenue, right? There's revenue generation, there's top line, there is operations efficiency, there's cost savings. And then of course at the bottom there is risk mitigation or risk avoidance. So these are the three high-level buckets of the various use cases. When we dive into them, all else being equal, if you're starting an MDM program from scratch, I love to try to recommend to find some of those revenue generation, because really that's what a lot of the organizations are focused on. Of course we're focused on saving costs and saving money, but if you're looking to get an MDM program off the ground, all else being equal, I would be looking at revenue generation. Some of the ones that are relatively, I would call easy or a little easier, are things like cross-sell, upsell, identification of white space. I can pretty much guarantee your marketing organization will have some model in place that allows them to understand if we had one more qualified lead, right? Or if we had a better idea of who this customer was, or if we could better manage our sales territories, that there's models that are already in place to allow you to extrapolate and to understand what the business impacts could be there. When we're talking about operating efficiencies, again, the list of KPIs here is extremely long. Maybe it's optimizing your supplier relationships, having a single view of your supplier. Maybe it's optimizing your inventories that you're using to create the goods that you sell by having a single source of truth when it comes to your materials. So the list of potential KPIs or use cases here is very, very long, but at a high level, the best way to think about it are revenue generation, cost savings, and risk avoidance.